सुनो, एक काम करो।
Listen, do one thing. Listen, do one thing.
ये फोन कितने का है?
How much is this phone? How much is this phone?
कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है।
Sometimes we have to speak a lie. Sometimes we have to speak a lie.
आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी।
You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me.
इसका लॉक कैसे खुलता है?
How to open its lock? How to open its lock?
तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं?
How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
आप इस वक्त कहाँ पर हो?
Where are you at the moment? Where are you at the moment?
ये वाला कैसा रहेगा?
How about this one? How about this one?
आप इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो?
Why are you in so a hurry? Why are you in so a hurry?
उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है।
He is not well. He is not well.
क्या आपको भूख लगी है?
Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry?
अंग्रेजी सीखने में टाइम लगता है।
It takes time to learn English. It takes time to learn English.
आज के लिए इतना ही।
That's all for today. That's all for today.
हमने पूरी कोशिश की।
We tried our best. We tried our best.
तू मेरा पक्का वाला दोस्त है।
You are my best friend. You are my best friend.
तो बताओ, क्या खाना चाहोगे?
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
वो तो अभी घर पर नहीं है।
He is not at home right now. He is not at home right now.
इतना टाइम लगेगा।
How long will it take? How long will it take?
वो आपके कौन लगते हैं?
Who is he to you? Who is he to you?
मुझे आपसे अभी मिलना है।
I have to meet you right now. I have to meet you right now.
क्या आपको देर हो रही है?
Are you getting late? Are you getting late?
जरा बोतल पकड़ाना।
Hand me the bottle, please. Hand me the bottle, please.
मुझे जरा सोचने दो।
Let me think. Let me think.
आप क्या कह रहे थे?
What were you saying? What were you saying?